Today, we'll take a look at Workspace Manager in Microsoft Sentinel. It allows us to push analytic rules, saved searches, and automations from one workspace to another, saving time and effort, especially when managing multiple environments via Azure Lighthouse. This approach lets us manage everything in one environment and then push updates out, making management easier. First, designate one of the workspace as the master. To do this, go to the Sentinel settings and enable Workspace Manager configuration. Next, add existing workspace to the Workspace Manager. Simply click Add Workspace and select the one you want to add. Afterward, create your first group by giving it a name, selecting a workspace, and choosing the content you want to push. Review and create to finish the group creation. Now, all that's left is to publish the content. Depending on the amount of content and the number of workspaces in a group, it may take some time to complete. To check if we successfully published the rules, go to the second workspace. As you can see, the new rules have landed in the right place. One important thing to note: if you already have published rules in the second workspace and plan to push the same rules from the Workspace Manager, they won't overwrite each other. You'll end up with duplicates. So it's the best to delete existing rules first, then push a fresh batch to make management easier. For example, in my second workspace, I have one existing rule for cross-tenant settings from the rule templates. Now I'll push the same rule from the Workspace Manager, and as you can see, it created a duplicate. The good news is, once the rules are pushed from the Workspace Manager, you can push them multiple times without creating additional duplicates. Congratulations! Now you know a little bit more about managing your content at scale in Microsoft Sentinel. Happy hunting!